Four wheels. May price list sila, guys. Galubog ang kawayan, ah. Grabe nga toll fee. 50 pesos, 4 wheels.
Babayad ka na rin pala kung gaba.
Diba? Going up. Masag. A few minutes. Mabot na kami sa destination. We are saka kami sa may restaurant where may coffee sila and lomi. Pakakagat this. Looking so slayable.
Empty streets, but I kept searching for your trace in the dark. Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start.
Look up isang restaurant, like look at that. So, Macau na kami subong. Nag-order kami ng lomi, batchoy, and sisig. Sisilog. Right, we're still waiting. Someone got food. Nagkape na sila.
Manogo. 620. Manogo.
Mawalking kami because like sira yung bridge nila dito. And it's a river, so we're going to walk sa ilang nga mid nga kawayan. You see that?
May bayad. Tara muna nga ako,
Hi guys, so nakauwi na kami. Hindi na ako naka-video all the way through na pag-uwi namin kasi nalubat na yung phone ko. I recommend their sisig, lomi, and batchoy. It really tastes good kagang ilak coffee. Again, it's your girl Izumi. Thank you for watching my vlog and see you